Today I'm going to show you on how to check your Facebook account if it's shadow banned or not. So leo tunaenda pamoja moja kwa moja. Watu wamekuwa wakiuliza kwa DM yangu, mbona hawapati likes siku hizi, all of a sudden views imepotea, sijui nini, hivyo mambo mingi, like maybe uko shadow banned. So step ya leo tunaenda kufanya basi. Step ya kwanza unaenda kwa your Facebook account. Then when you are in your Facebook account, go to the profile, yeah, then to your professional dashboard. You press your professional dashboard, then where it is written your name, hapo palimeandikwa jina yako hapo juu, where it's written your name, just press there. It will take you somewhere where it's written monetization, profile recommendation, and support meta, something like that. Then you go to profile recommendation. Just click profile recommendation. Then when you click profile recommendation, you go to profile status. After you enter into profile status, then you are now ready to check if your account is eligible. See, for example, my profile status said good news, no violation to show, no any copyright claim, no any violation, and if you violate, it will show you here like this one. It say action was taken. This one I performed very early before it was renewed. Before they penalty me for copyright, they normally ask you what to do. So I did my best. They told me you can delete a video or you can review. Me, I choose to remove the video. That's why they are telling me harmful content. That one was an harmful content, but it was removed because I really participate very early in the morning. Yeah. Even you now or today, who you are watching this video, if you found that one, anything that makes your video are not getting recommended. If you found anything that makes your video not recommended, please take action right now. Do what they say. More probably, I can recommend you to delete that thing. If it was a photo, delete it. If it was a video, futa hiyo kitu, achana nayo. Yeah. One thing cannot cost you. One picture cannot cost you. Thank you so much for the video. I really appreciate. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for this channel. I'll see you later in the next video. Thank you so much.